Good morning from beautiful Cardiff by the Sea, just down the street from Gold Coast Chiropractic Center. Today we want to demonstrate the postural Fulcrum exercises and floor exercises to strengthen your spinal curves so you can get the best results and start living your ideal 100-year lifestyle today. First thing in the morning, large glass of water to have plenty of liquid hydration into the spinal disc. You want to perform the thoracic rotation 40 times or 20 each way, lumbar rotation 40 times, 20 each way, on a hard surface, the floor, carpeted or wood, on a yoga mat is fine. Not on the bed, it's too soft. Simply lie on those fulcrums and perform those isometric exercises. 3 straight back, 3 to the left, 3 to the right, holding for 10 seconds. Provide that isometric contraction to promote those curves. Now I want to show you some additional core spinal strengtheners, but I'm going to show you the simple postural strengtheners. We're going to start with the plank. On your forearms, on your toes, keeping the body as a plank, tightening that core and holding for 10 seconds to begin. And the last additional core exercises is the Superman, also known as the Superwoman. Going from the plank into hands and knees, right arm out in front, left leg at the same time, holding for a count of 3. 1, 2, 3, and down. Left leg up, right arm, left arm up, right leg up. The floor exercises that we demonstrated can be done in conjunction with the rotation exercises or at a different time as your workout. But remember, the significance of that is to help us achieve posture and spinal correction within the shortest amount of time possible. I'm excited in your participation because remember, your body is designed to heal when given the right opportunity. And these exercises will give us that opportunity so you can start living your ideal 100-year lifestyle today.